You've got to be kidding me. What is up? What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got to get this thing going. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm tired of this thing sitting up on jack stands. I know one of you want to win it. So let's get started. Sounding like a dead horse, but you can win this. You can win this. Fox Body Mustang GT can be yours for the low price of just subscribing down below. December 20th, we're drawing a name of one of my subscribers, that's you, to win this Fox Body 30T, 30T, 302, 5-speed, 8.8. Decent car for free to you. So subscribe. So if you remember in the last video, we realized that the good old mini spool that we had just put in this bad boy had gone away. It was gone, never to come back again. Fly away in the arms of an angel. Anyway, so I got a new set of gears. I got everything to rebuild the posi. First thing we got to do is pop off the wheels and then take the cover back off. It's only 4 bolts holding it on, and then we'll go pull the C-clips, pull the axles out a little bit, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get to cracking on rebuilding this bad boy. And let's go. All right. And so that's why we're doing all of this. As you see, the old mini spool disintegrated, essentially. It's not a good look. And that's my wife leaving. So I think the ring gear is actually okay, but it doesn't matter, I got a new one. So we're gonna replace it. But you see these blocks right here, they're the ones that got schmammered. So we'll go ahead and pull out the cross pin and get these axles out of here. Already got the wheels off, so let's get it. Caught it. Think this is how that came out of? I hope so. Yeah. So alright, so that's the crush lead. Oh no! I promise you can't ever work on a car without bleeding. At least I can't. Yep. Ford. Great. The other gear set I got is a Ford too, so that's good. How's these bearings look? Because I'm gonna reuse them. They look fine. I was able to catch it with the back of my hand. Alright. And these races, let's try to keep those off the ground. That's right side. Left side. Bro, there's no shims. Oh, yeah, there is a shim. So, I'm gonna have to run over to Dad's at some point, and he's got to press. I'm gonna have to press this off, this bearing. I got a new one.
but I gotta get this shim out from underneath here. So it'll be shimmed, right? I have no idea what this is. I don't even know if the new kit's got that.
I guess let's go look. We got a steel lid for the Bondo. And we gotta soak these clutches. Ah, that'll work. Alright guys, well, I guess that's gonna wrap it up for this video. We're gonna have to wait on parts yet again. So, I'll show you why. I don't have another cross pin. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. She makes a nice little S. Yeah. So, I think Jags has them in stock. Or, I think even AutoZone has them. And, this Master Gear Install Kit from Motive. Can anybody tell me what's missing from a Master Gear Install Kit? You know what's missing? The pinion bearing. Why is there not a pinion bearing in a gear install? Like, you have to change the pinion whenever you change the gear. Or maybe I'm just crazy. I don't know. But can't win for losing with this car. It really don't want to leave me. You guys might be now just playing. She's definitely going. I wish I had big burnouts to show y'all, but that's not the case. More parts yet again. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe down below. Please give this video a like. Yep. And we'll catch you next one. Peace.